Guys, so this is going to be lesson 2, part of day 1. We just talked about this being the Earth's rotation around the axis, and this is the axis. Down here it says the sun appears to move because Earth rotates around an axis. Earth makes one rotation on its axis every 24 hours, which means that a day on Earth is one complete rotation. Now, guys, depending on what planet you're on, that's not always the case. Some planets rotate faster so that their days are shorter. Some planets rotate slower so that their days are longer. It all depends on the planet that you are on. If you go down here, it says check for understanding. And right here, we're going to do this together. It says the Earth rotates around a blank. Well, we talked about it rotates around an axis. So I'm going to move this over here. To rotate means to spin. Earth's axis is an imaginary line going through the middle of the planet from its north pole to its south pole. Earth makes one complete spin or rotation about its axis every 24 hours. Each spin is 1 day, and that should be all pretty easy for you guys to understand. If you scroll down here, it says, write a poem about how Earth rotation causes day and night. Be sure to use this term. Now, this is what I'm going to say. You guys don't have to write a poem, but what I would like you guys to do is write a summary of how the Earth's rotation causes day and night using these terms. So again, I want you to type here, and I want you to go on your Chromebook if you don't have it open, and type in your answer right there. As soon as you're done doing that, we are going to then click to this next section. So right now, pause me if you are typing, and when you are done typing, unpause me. Okay? Hopefully I'm unpaused. We're going to hit next section, and it brings us to Earth's rotation causes day and night. What is the difference between day and night? To answer this question, you might look at the sky. Day is any time that the sun is in the sky, and night is any time that the sun is not in the sky. Day and night are caused by Earth's rotation. Because Earth rotates, the sun seems to change its position in the sky throughout the day. In the middle of the day, the sun is at its highest point, and the part of Earth you are standing on is facing directly towards the sun. As the day continues, Earth continues to rotate, and the part of Earth you are on is no longer facing the sun. As a result, the sun seems to be lower in the sky. Eventually, the Earth rotates so much that the part you are standing on is facing away from the sun. This causes the sun to drop below the horizon and sunset occurs. After sunset, the Earth continues to rotate. Just after sunset, there is usually a little light in the sky because part of the Earth you are on is still almost facing towards the sun. As it gets later into the night, Earth rotates more. In the middle of the night, the part of Earth you are on is facing directly away from the sun. During this time, the sky is usually very dark. The Earth rotates more and the sky starts to get lighter. Eventually, it rotates enough so that the sun rises up over the horizon again, but the sun is still low in the sky. The Earth continues to rotate, and by the middle of the day, it is directly overhead, just like the day before. Because the Earth rotates every 24 hours, you see this pattern of the sun's movement every 24 hours. We're going to scroll down here. We don't have to worry about this or this, but I do want you to do this. Draw and label the model that shows Earth's rotation and how it causes night and day. This is what you need to do, and this is the end of the lesson for today. This is the end of Science Lesson 1. Thank you.